How has cryptocurrency changed the world? Cryptocurrency is becoming popular and well-known day by day throughout the world. Cryptocurrency is electronic money stored in online computer files and e-wallets of the owners. Transfer and tracking of cryptocurrency are based upon blockchain technology. This technology can track every update and transfer chronologically. It also stores the information cryptically so that everyone can see it, although the existing data is well preserved and cannot be changed. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Binance Coin, Dogecoin, Polkadot, Solana, Polygon, as well as Terra are some of the most popular members of the crypto family. Additionally, thousands of different types of cryptocurrencies are available. Among all of these, Bitcoin is the most famous one. But here is the most important feature. These members are not all of equal worth and not serving the same purposes. Some of them are utilized for general usage, and the others are solving some of the specific problems in certain industrial usage. Cryptocurrency seems like a future currency in the world of technology. It will gradually change the way how we store money, do business, as well as purchasing and selling goods and services. Moreover, there are many ways how cryptocurrency is making the world a better place to live. Accountability of companies and consumers. Several companies and consumers are there who use illegal and corrupt ways. Businesses should be run with integrity, and all rights are being upheld and laws and rules are being practiced appropriately. Cryptocurrency will revolutionize the world by making it better by changing the process. Blockchain technology, which is the origin of cryptocurrency, cannot be varied like other traditional currencies. Using the crypto and blockchain technologies keeps an eye upon transactions of companies and consumers as well as makes them accountable. Blockchain is a big ledger due to which these currencies are leading to the financial accountability of business companies and consumers. Every transaction data is being recorded and public. This is almost impossible to tamper with. Encourages scientific advancements. Regardless of hundreds of scientific advancements, critical data and information is kept secret and confidential by the government and respective institutions, making it difficult for continued collective advancements. Cryptocurrency and its mother technology, blockchain, may help to change the scientific blockades we face, providing everyone access to real-time data and eliminating the major institutions, foundations, and corporations sitting on important information. In near future, every person or global citizen scientist can take part in making future scientific advancements. This system is being designed and it incentivizes the collection and use of molecular data at a global scale using blockchain and a new crypto asset to share data and resources. Avoid any fraud. Fraud is always one of the biggest concerns when something is related to money, whether it will be only a fund transfer through a credit card, online, or an insecure site. This is always a major problem, especially for those who've been the victim of fraud in the past. This risk of fraud is not associated with the bank account or cash funds, as it is transferred electronically and safely with the blockchain. Keeping all the transactions data in the record makes it nearly impossible to get cheated on a Bitcoin transaction. Recording all transactions with Bitcoin and cryptocurrency will not only reduce the risk of fraud, but also provides peace of mind. Environmental effect. Whenever any cryptocurrency like Bitcoin is under discussion, most of the time it is in terms of politics, industry and technology. But its mining, where new coins are added into the circulation, is one of the major concerns for many environmentalists. When any transaction is being performed with cryptocurrency, mining computers are rewarded with coins by verifying it. But this mining is an energy-hungry process according to the census. Bitcoin mining consumes approximately 32 terawatts of power per year in the most developed countries, including Ireland and Denmark. One transaction from Bitcoin consumes 5,000 times more energy than that of a credit card transaction. This is almost comparable with the amount of power for an average house for almost 9 days. Changing the money transfer ways. Bank-to-bank transfer is relatively faster and more efficient. However, still they have to put a long way. Some transfers may be longer than a week to clear and be deposited, especially in the case of any international transaction. But the transfer via cryptocurrency doesn't require any check and balances processed like the banks do before any transaction can be performed. Regardless of the domain of transaction being made, either international or national, cryptocurrency transactions are always instant, free of cost, and their tracking makes them secure and reliable too. The owner has control of money. Several people are cautious of banks and other financial institutions, but due to numerous factors, keeping the cash in the house is not much more recommended. Any sign of economic crisis can create serious stress and concern about the funds they have in their savings. Cryptocurrency allows the control of money to be shifted from the banks and back into the hands of the people. It is not subjected by banks and financial institutions to the rules and regulations being followed. It is a good trend that more and more people are getting control over their assets. However, this is another reason how cryptocurrency is revolutionizing the world and making it a better place to live for the human being. Enhanced crowdfunding. Crowdfunding is an increasingly popular way for many entrepreneurs to raise money for their products, concepts, and services. Several business investors can make small investments too, instead of few investors making large investments. Secure and recorded transactions mitigate the risk, and without risk, more investors get attracted and want to get involved. Cryptocurrency will make the world a better place as it continues to positively impact crowdfunding. Initial coin offerings, ICOs, are centered on cryptocurrency, which is used as the source of capital for a startup company's venture. Hence, along with other impacts, cryptocurrency leads to an increase in crowdfunding. Stable alternative to unstable currencies. The rate of inflation and instability that sometimes countries face regarding their standard currencies reveals shocking experiences. Not all countries are subjected to outrageous rates of inflation and instability in standard currency prices. Other countries may be benefited from switching to use cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is not subjected to exchange or any interest rates. Rather, it is accepted worldwide. This digital currency also offers more stability and certainty to those residing in relatively economic volatile countries. Strengthening the e-commerce. Everyone prefers online shopping nowadays, especially during holidays. This trend has been grown many times due to the lockdown in terrific conditions of the COVID-19 pandemic. This is so easy and comfortable than that of going store to store for purchasing and selling. Problems of fraud deter shoppers from online shopping and transactions. Along with the secure transaction data to avoid any risk of fraud, it also provides security to business owners, sellers and vendors. Cryptocurrency transactions are permanent. In addition to the mitigation of risk, using cryptocurrency creates more opportunities for worldwide business. Safer and secure money transfer and foreign transactions. Reducing the chances of fraud while performing any international transaction, cryptocurrency also helps in making in-country transactions safer and more secure. When traveling internationally, carrying cash and money cards can be very dangerous sometimes. Cryptocurrency not only reduces the risk of cash and money cards, but is also free of cost, not requiring any exchange fee or transaction fee. This will ensure more money in the pockets of vendors and consumers. It will reduce the fear of robberies too. Government incorporation. Bitcoin was conceived independent of the governments, owing to its central regulation, but the massive increases in its popularity urged the governments to consider it. By the passage of time, many governments are getting engaged in it and also investing in this advanced technology. Scalability. Multiple companies and business platforms have programs built out for their scientific product as well as service or any customized service to some extent. This issue of scalability is one of the major issues that is faced by many companies eventually. In this manner, cryptocurrency is changing the economic race among countries day by day. Since 2017, massive breakout of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum and Ripple gaining multi-billion-dollar market worth. So it is clear that the monetary world is changing by cryptocurrency. How else do you think cryptocurrency will make the world a better place to live?